Hi everyone, I hope you are doing good and welcome to the second practice session of relative pronouns. This is part of a series of English practice videos brought to you by English Windows Online Learning Platform to help second baccalaureate students in Morocco get ready and well prepared for the English National Exam, especially grammar. Now we are at the second quiz, guys. We have again 10 statements and the total score is 20 points and we have to score at least, actually we must score 10 points so that we can pass this quiz, and the time is limited to 5 minutes only, right? If you're ready, guys, let's go ahead and start our quiz, right? Okay, now we are at the first statement here. The Paddington Hotel, that's the name of the hotel, and then we have a comma, we stayed at while we were in London, then another comma, is rather expensive. Guys, again, you can see that you have your sentence or clause between two commas. That's a non-restrictive clause. It adds just parenthetical information that we can do without, right? And the meaning remains as it is. The Paddington Hotel is rather expensive. We have here hotel. So what do you think is the right, relative pronoun? Are we going to say when or where or how? We can't, right? When is for time, where is for place, and how is for manner, right? Okay, or sometimes how many, it can also indicate number or quantity. Great, so here, guys, the right one is where we stayed at while we were in London. Very good. Yes, let's move ahead, right, and hurry a little bit, right? We have less than 4 minutes. Number 2, the hotel manager, and then we have to I express my dissatisfaction about the room service turned out to be hard of hearing. Again, we have a non-restrictive clause here, guys. So we have comma. So we have here the hotel manager too. Okay. Here in this situation, guys, you are going to use whom, right? Okay, because it's in the position of an object, right? I express my dissatisfaction to the hotel manager, right? Okay, so it's like an object by preposition here, okay? Let's move to number 3, guys. My uncle has a factory, and then we have employs a large number of people. Factory. We have here, restrictive clause, guys. Not whatever factory, but the factory. Very good. That employs, right? And we can use here that for both great things or even people, right? Okay, good. Number 4, guys. The house, and then we have a comma, has been empty for about a year, has just been sold. We have here again a restrictive clause, between two commas here, and a non-restrictive clause, between two commas. So we are going to say here the house which has been, right, empty. Very good. Yes, which here refers to the things, to the house here, right? Okay, number 5, guys. The man, and then we have name, I can't remember, is a relented comedian, right? Okay, your attention here, we have the man, it's a person, and we have name, it means the name of the man, so we are going to use, very good, whose name, I can't remember, right? Number 6, Jan's fiance works for Air France, is hoping to get transfers to another airline. So here, Jan's fiancé, do we say who or which or whose? We have here a verb, so we are going to use who. Very good, referring to this person, the fiancé here, Jan's fiancé, who. Right, very good, it works. Okay, number 7, the children, and we have a non-restrictive clause here again. Families were killed in the war. What happened to them, right? Were all taken to the nearest refugee camps. Families of whom? Of the children. So we're going to say, very good, whose families? Excellent. Number 8, guys. Many projects, and we have, are being financed by the UN agencies. Again, this is a non-restrictive clause. Aim at promoting development in poor countries. So many projects, do we say which are being financed? Or that, or whom? Yes, very good. We say here which are being, right, financed by the UN, right? It's in the subject's positioning, right? Number 9, the people, and then we have I find most difficult to communicate with are Japanese. Your attention, we have less than 1 minute. The people, I find what? I find the people, right? So people, we need a relative of pronouns which can replace the objects here. Very good. We say whom I find, right? Very good. Number 10, guys, on the last one, my hometown, and then we have is located between Tinghir and Qlat Mguna is Bomal and Addis. My hometown, right? What? It's a place, but it's a thing, and it should, replace the subjects here. We say which. Very good. Which is located. Excellent job, guys. We were about to exceed the time limit, but fortunately we managed to finish and complete the quiz in time. Thank you very much for your attention, and see you in another practice session. Goodbye.